A warm, dry home is better for your health and more energy efficient. Cold, damp and mouldy houses can lead to discomfort and serious health problems, such as respiratory illness and cardiovascular disease. The 3 Wairarapa Councils have developed a home health self-assessment kit so you can assess your home for warmth and dampness and understand how it is performing. You will find useful tips and advice to improve the comfort of your home and the health of its occupants. You can borrow these for free from any of the 5 Wairarapa libraries. For more information, visit your council website.